storm cam footage. Well, kind of. Kind of saw that one a little bit. Alright, that wasn't that bad. That was a positive strike. That was pretty cool. Looks like most of it's all happening off to this area. It's a little hard to... Let me put that up so I can get trying to kind of turn in there. It's a little tricky. Whoa, that was nice. State College and Storm Tracker are sure gonna like that one. It's really raining now. Kind of saw a little one over there. Woo! I hope you saw that. Lightning sure has his work cut out. I might have saw that one. Nope. Dropped it a little bit. is all really cool. Holy cow, over there. Oh, kind of saw that one a little bit. It's getting kind of foggy. The window's a little fogged up. Just gonna wipe that off a little bit. Alright, there we go. Oh, a little flicker. Alright, well, the rain is calming down. A little flicker there. So far, it's all been intercloud lightning with a few ground strikes. Or CG. That was nice. Nice little flicker. There's a little flicker right there. There looks promising though. Only gonna go for a couple more minutes. Looks like it is moving past us here in the county. Well, yeah, the rain's definitely calmed down a lot now. There's a decent little flicker. I saw that one a little bit. It was a little purple. Oh. It's fogging back up a little bit. Hang on. Alright. Yeah, it looks like the storm is kind of going past us a little bit. Hey, we at least got some good strikes out of that. We also got some good lightning out of that one. Mostly intercrowd with a couple of good strikes. Look over there. Past the school, a little hard to see. Yeah, there's over there. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this. I hope y'all enjoyed. Peace out.